What's up? Hey guys, it's Ivan. In this video, I want to tell you what a dynamic affiliate link is and how you can set it up inside of ClickMagick. So let's begin. What is a dynamic affiliate link? Well, it's basically any sort of website or page which has your affiliate tracking cookie attached to it. So let me give you an example. Let's suppose I'm on ClickBank and I see this product I want to promote, Lottery Dominator. The monster is back. Now, let's imagine that I really dislike this sales page and I think to myself, hey, I could really create a much better sales page than this. But here's the problem. This affiliate link contains your ClickBank cookie, right? If you don't kind of send people through this page, how will you possibly get credit? Well, that is exactly where the dynamic affiliate links come in. So let's suppose this is the page that I want to replace this page with, okay? Suppose this is the sales page that's so much better and I think it can sell so much more than this page. Well, I can attach my cookie into this page. So here on ClickMagick, I've created the link for this page here. This one, clickmagick.com, right? Ideally, you want to use a custom domain, but I'm just doing this for illustrative purposes. So here's my site, right? That's going to be exactly this one. Okay, so, and I've created a link for it, so when I preview it, it should show up. Perfect. So here's what we do. We go down here to the bottom where it says create dynamic affiliate link. So what your screen may look like is like this. You'll have to click on show advanced settings, scroll down to the bottom to where it says create dynamic affiliate link. And all we have to do is we have to attach our cookie here. All right, so let's do that. So I'll go here, I'll click on promote. Let's suppose this is the offer I want to promote. And here is my link with my cookie in there. So I'll simply close out of that and I'll put that here. So I'll say, yes, let's create a dynamic affiliate link and I'll click add code. And what that did is that added a little cookie to this page now. Here's the thing though. You need to make sure that this adheres to the terms and conditions of the specific offer you're doing, okay? Now, as long as your page has the same content as the offer you're promoting, it shouldn't be a problem. But the problem happens when you're doing what is called cookie stuffing, when you're kind of putting these cookies on every single page, whether it's relevant or not, and you're making sales out of it. Now, that's not fair and that is illegal. Okay, so make sure you don't engage in cookie stuffing and you only create dynamic affiliate links for the products that are relevant and the products that you're actually selling. And if you want to make sure, you want to double check with the vendor whether something like this is allowed. But let's say in this case, the product is relevant and it is allowed. I'll click Save Changes. And now this link here, this page, will have my cookie in there, right? So now all I have to do is direct people to the order form page where they can actually buy this product. And then that is it. I will get the credit for it. Now, how you get the URL for the order form page is totally up to you. That's some research that you have to do, but I will show you a way in which you could find what that URL is. So again, let's go back to this offer, and I will show you the difference, by the way, as well, to prove to you that you should get the cookie by using this dynamic affiliate link in a second. But let's go here. So I'll have to click on read so I can get to the order form page. So over here, what you could do in this case is actually just click on this link and copy this URL. So I can actually just copy this link URL in order to use it on my page, right? Because over here, I need to put in the order form URL so people go there to actually buy. So even though when people land here, I get credit, they have to actually buy. So in this case, I can actually simply copy this link address and I can paste it here. Now, let me tell you why I can do it in this specific case and why this is some research that you have to do. So in this case, that should work. Okay, so I'll click save. So the thing with this is sometimes companies will have buttons that have not just a straight link to a URL like we would here, right, where you would go here, but they would have a form, and that form would carry data through. So if you simply copy the URL, if it's a form, then you won't get anywhere. And the way you check it is you can view page source. So let me go here for a second. Let me just copy this URL. Let me go back. Actually, Here, I'll copy this link address so it's fresh and clear. See that at the bottom, on the bottom left? Copy that, click on View Page Source. You can click Find, and you can paste that in. And as you can see, that URL is there 5 times. It says a ref, which means it's just a link. So it's a straight link in this case, which makes it fine to use. And there's 5 of them because there's 5 buttons on this page. But sometimes, like I said, if it's a form, it's not as simple. You will need to copy everything down between those form elements. There's no specific example I can show you here, but basically make sure that it is a straight link. Otherwise, there's going to be some issues and your funnel just won't work. All right. So that's basically that. So let's just test it out. Okay. So I showed you an example of how you can find the order form URL. Like in this case, here's what you can do quickly and easily. So again, let me copy this link address and let me just show you what happens if I place it in an incognito tab window. So if I place it here in a new window, right, assuming I just go straight to the order form page, you should see that the affiliate there at the bottom, see it says affiliate none, which means I'm not getting credit for this, which means we do need to include our cookie in there somewhere. So now let's go back and let's see what happens with our dynamic affiliate link. So I will go actually, let's go here first and let me use this link because this tracking link has that cookie in there. Don't worry about the stats. That's not important right now. I'm just trying to show you the cookie. Obviously, if I'm using it from the same browser, it won't update the stats, but that doesn't matter. So let me go here and I'll put in my link here. Now, as you can see, after I put this in, it will have a really quick bridge page. So look, observe the URL here will change for a second. See there, it says clickmagick.com redirect. Okay, so that's a different URL. That is the page that has the cookie on there. And now it's going to come back to this page, which is my main page. Now let's see what happens if I click on order now, which takes us to the order form. So now the cookie is on the page through this dynamic affiliate link. Now, if you scroll down, you should see that you should get credit. There, see, it says my affiliate ID. So there's that. So as long as you can get the right URL for the order form and you kind of insert it into your dynamic URL page like we did here on this page, you should be going, you should be able to customize your entire sales page and take control of the process rather than saying, hey, I must direct people to this page. I don't have a choice. Also, this may come in handy if you're promoting on Facebook or AdWords, and AdWords is very strict, and they say, you know what, this isn't allowed. You need to change it, but you can't. So you can customize your page and then direct them straight to the order form and still get credit. So it's a perfect way to do that. But let me just reiterate again, be careful to not cookie stuff. That is important. So kind of use this in a non-evil way. Don't go around and put these cookies on every single page, now relevant or irrelevant, because that would be illegal. And you are responsible for getting your own order page link. Here I showed you one way of doing so. However, that may not be reliable 100% of the time. So just click on, view page source and input that URL which you copied. I'm just going to show you again. Input that and find. And just make sure you see it here and it's a regular straight link like that. If it has form brackets that look like that in between, then you need to copy everything in between that instead, okay? And see if that works. But you will need to go to some other website to actually shorten it. So you can't just straight put that into your page here. That just won't work, right? Because it's HTML code. But that's basically the idea. So I hope that was helpful for you to see what a dynamic affiliate link is, how to set it up, and just how useful it is. Because as you saw, we were able to skip the vendor sales page and we were able to get credit through our sales page. So I hope this was helpful. If you guys have any questions or concerns, leave them down below. I'll be more than happy to help you out. If you enjoyed the video, you enjoy these types of how-to videos, feel free to subscribe. I cover a lot of different videos, how-tos, reviews, etc., etc. Other than that, thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.